Hello friends, this is Satyavan Kumar. I am going to discuss with you some important SSC JEE question from Open Channel Flow, Notches and Wears. So let's start friends. First question is, the length of a rectangular wear is L and height is given H1. The maximum depth of water on the upstream side of the wear is H. Flow rate over the wear is what? Friends, in this question asking, what is the flow rate of wear? Friends, first of all we have to know what is notch and what is wear. Notch is a measuring device which is used to measure flow rate of water through a small channels. This is for a small channels, and wear is also a measuring device which is used to measure flow rate of bigger broad channels. This is for broad channels. So here question is, what is the discharge of wear? Means what is the flow rate of wear? So friends, we know that discharge is equal to 2 by 3 CD into B root under 2Z into HY into H3 by 2, H to the power 3 by 2. Here is given Q is equal to 2 by 3 CD into B into root 2Z into H to the power 3 by 2. Here V is equal to L and H is equal to capital H minus H1, where capital H is for total depth, maximum depth here is given, that is capital H. Maximum depth of water on the upstream side of the wear is capital H, and H1 is given height of the rectangular wear. Height of the rectangular wear here. Next question is, the depth of water below the spillway and after hydraulic jump is 1 meter and 6 meter respectively. The head loss will be. Question asking, head loss will be. In this question asking head loss in a spillway, that is HM is equal to Y2 minus Y1 square Y4 Y1 into Y2. HM is equal to Y2 minus Y1 square Y4 Y1 into Y2, where Y1 is equal to depth of water, where Y2 is equal to hydraulic jump. Here Y1 is given 1 meter and Y2 is given 6 meter. So put the value of Y1 and Y2 in the equation. So equation will be HM is equal to 6 minus 1 to the power square in by 4 into 6 into 1. So we get 1.04 meter answer. Next question is, a wear system in which the downstream water level of the wear nape is higher than the crest is called what? In this question asking, when downstream water level of the wear nape is higher than the crest, so what is called that weir system, that is submerged. Here is given explanation. Ratio of the downstream and the upstream water depths above the weir crest is defined as the submergence ratio. So for above system, it will be submerged. The hydraulic mean depth for a circular pipe of diameter d running full is equal to what? Friends, in this question asking, what is hydraulic mean depth? That is denoted by H. So friends, it is defined as the area of the flow section divided by the top water surface width. So HM is equal to area will be pi d square by 4 and divided by pi d, that is width of top water surface. So it will be d by 4, that is hydraulic mean. Critical pump meter is used to measure. It means क्रिटिकल पंप का यूज़ हम लोग किस चीज़ को मेजर करने के लिए करते हैं? सो दैट इज आंसर इज डिस्चार्ज इन एन ओपन चैनल. ओपन चैनल में जो क्यू होता है, एक्सप्लेनेशन इज ऑल्सो गिवन हियर. दिस इज ए मॉडिफाइड वेंचुरी फ्लूम. ये क्या है? क्रिटिकल पंप मीटर क्या होता है? ये एक मॉडिफाई है वेंचुरी फ्लूम का. इसका मेन फीचर क्या है? Constriction in the channel, so proportionate as to produce flow at critical depth. Simple. Next question is, the hydraulic grid line is means what is the hydraulic grid line? Hydraulic grid line is the velocity head below the energy grid line. Simple. The flow at critical depth in an open channel is, that is answer maximum. Here is given explanation. Critical depth is defined as the depth of flow where energy is at a minimum for a particular discharge. Simple. So flow at critical depth in an open channel is maximum. Next question is, normal depth in open channel flow is the depth of flow corresponding to what? It means in this question asking, open channel flow में जो normal depth होते हैं वो depth of flow किसके corresponding होते हैं? So that is uniform flow के. Here is given definition of normal depth. When normal depth occurs, normal depth कब होता है या हाउ टू डिफाइन नॉर्मल डेप्थ? इसमें नॉर्मल डेप्थ के बारे में बताया है. नॉर्मल डेप्थ अकर्स व्हेन ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ द वाटर इज इक्वल टू फ्रिक्शन ड्रैग एंड कलवर्ट. दैट इज इसका मतलब क्या है? देयर इज नो एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ फ्लो. उसमें एक्सेलरेशन नहीं होते हैं तब. ट्रैंक्विल फ्लो मस्ट ऑलवेज अकर. इसमें पूछा गया है कि ट्रैंक्विल फ्लो हमेशा कहाँ होता है या कहाँ आता है, कैसे, कहाँ पे होता है? दैट इज अबव क्रिटिकल डेप्थ. सो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी स्टडी, व्हाट इज नॉर्मल डेप्थ? नॉर्मल डेप्थ होता है जब ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स वाटर का जो है वो इक्वल होता है फ्रिक्शन ड्रैग एंड कलवर्ट के. इसका मतलब होता है कि देयर इज नो एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ फ्लो. हेयर इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ट्रैंक्विल फ्लो मस्ट ऑलवेज अकर. ट्रैंक्विल फ्लो कहाँ पे अकर होता है, मतलब कहाँ होता है बेसिकली? तो ट्रैंक्विल फ्लो एबव क्रिटिकल डेप्थ, मतलब क्रिटिकल डेप्थ के ऊपर होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द अपर सरफेस ऑफ वेयर ओवर विच वाटर फ्लो इज नोन एज, that is sill. Question is, the upper surface of a weir over which water flow is known as, that is sill. इसमें पूछा गया है कि वेयर के ऊपर का जो सरफेस है उसके ऊपर जो ये वाटर फ्लो कर रहा है, ये वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है यहाँ से, तो इस अपर लेयर को, वेयर के ऊपर जो इस लेयर है, इसे क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज सिल। इसे ही हम लोग सिल कहते हैं। और इसे हम लोग, जो ये वाटर इधर फ्लो हो रहा है, इसे नेप कहते हैं, नेप या वेन कहते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।